Friends, another question from quiz 1 deep learning. Consider a neural network. Consider a neural network with 3 hidden layers. The hidden layers are 3 and one output layer. Output layer is 1 and the hidden layers contains the 100 neurons each. So each hidden layer contains 100 neurons. Suppose we have a square image of size. So they give a square image of size 30 cross 30 containing either a cat or dog, containing either a positive class or a negative class. So cat is a positive class, dog is negative class. The neural network is designed to recognize it by outputting a probability score of each class, that is depends on the probability estimation of the probability of that each class. So that is classification problem. This is classification, not regression. It's not regression problem. This is a classification problem because it's outputting a probability score. So probability score, it is a classification, either a cat class or dog class, positive class or negative class. The input image is flattened into an area size of, that is the input layer has flattened into an array size of 900 cross 1. Outputting probabilities. The input image, okay. Assume that all the neurons in the network has bias associated. So that is consider the bias. This is important. Consider the bias is important with them and use the sigmoid activation function. So that is each layer uses the sigmoid activation function. So generally the neuron represented like this circle. So the each neuron uses the sigmoid activation function. So that is sigmoid activation function. The output is 1 by 1 plus e power minus z. This is sigmoid activation function. In this question, how many parameters are there in the network? So they are asking to calculate the total number of parameters. Total number of parameters including bias. So including bias. Sometimes they ask without including bias. Be careful about this bias term. So first we draw the network. This is the input layer. This is the input layer. It contains 900 neurons. So 900 neurons. Next first hidden layer. First hidden layer 1, HL1. It contains 100 neurons. Next hidden layer 2. So that is hidden layer 2. It contains also same number of neurons, 100. Each neuron represented with circle. HL3. Same 100 number of neurons. And the output layer contains only 2 classes. So there are 2 neurons in this output layer. 2 neurons. So in the input layer the bias is 0. That is no bias term required. Here bias is required. Here bias is required. Here in this layer also bias required. In this layer also, output layer. So there are weight matrices In this layer, weight matrices is W1, that is from input layer to hidden layer 1. This weight matrices is here W2, here W3, this is W4. There are 4 weight matrices. So the each weight matrices size is, so W1 matrices weight matrices size is, so first we write the output, that is this side, right hand side layer dimension, that is 100 cross 900, and weight matrices 2 size is 100 cross 100. First we write this 100, after this next W3 weight matrices size is, first we write W3, right, this 100 cross, next this 100, and W4 size is, first write the output size matrix, that is 2 cross this 100. Next, in this question it is mentioned that to find the how many parameters are there in the network, that is total number of parameters including bias in the each layer. So in the first layer, that is in this first layer, there are 900 into 100 plus bias of this layer HL1. Then for example, this one is B1, B2, B3 and B4. So that is B1 equals to 100. So total equals to 90100. Total number of parameters including bias. Next, in this layer, total number of parameters 100 multiplied with 100 plus B2 equals to 100, that equal to total 10100 parameters. For in this layer, this 100 multiplied with B200 plus B3 equal to bias 100, that equals to same parameters 10100. In this layer, total number of parameters 2 into, that is output layer, 2 into 100 plus B4 equals to 2, that is 202. So to sum up this all the parameters, 2 0 3 plus 2 5 0 9 plus 2, that is 11. This is the answer for this question. So that is the total number of parameters. For this question, the answer is 11052. Okay, correct. Friends, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.